Shopping. Who doesn't love shopping? Whether it's for a grand wedding, a weekend party, or just a casual wardrobe refresh, the thrill of picking the perfect outfit, accessories, or even a fancy bottle of wine never gets old. Friends, for years, we've had our go-to platforms: Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Alibaba, and Target, making our shopping dreams come true. But what if I told you there's a game changer in the e-commerce world? Friends, just type Temu.com, a platform that's making waves worldwide. Born in China but ruling the global market, this site is the ultimate shopping paradise, offering mind-blowing prices on everything from tech gadgets to home essentials. And today, my friends, we're diving deep into some of the most unique, craziest, and must-have gadgets from Temu.com. But before proceeding further, hit that subscribe button and do have a look on gadget number 4 and 7 because that's what you'll surely enjoy. Number 1. All-season work boots. Friends, have you ever watched the Avengers fight scene or a Kung Fu showdown and thought, man, those shoes aren't just shoes, they're part of the legend? Now imagine you walking with the same confidence, not in some fancy overpriced brand, but in something built for everyday warriors. Here comes the all-season work boots, where comfort meets battle. What's special here? Simplicity. No laces, no struggle, just slip in, lock, and load. And talking about that golden head guard, that's not just a design choice, it's your first line of defense, a shield for your step. And if you're ready to walk like a legend, check out Temu.com. You like that or not? Do mention it in the comment box. Number 2. Foldable oversized travel cart. Friends, many a times you must have observed the moment you step into a mall. It's like entering a treasure trove. Aisles stacked with must-haves, tech gadgets gleaming under the lights, snacks calling out your name, isn't it? But once I'm in, I start grabbing everything I like, tossing it into my carry bag. And I'm really unstoppable until reality hits. Sometimes I can see that my bag's overflowing, my hands are full, and I'm barely getting started. I look around knowing the struggle is real. If only I had a magic solution, a way to shop without limits. Meet the foldable oversized travel cart, your ultimate shopping sidekick. With a 680 to 150 pound capacity and all-terrain wheels, it hauls everything: gadgets, groceries, even impulse buys, effortlessly. Tired? Hop in and ride. Shopping just got an upgrade with this unique trolley gadget. Number 3. Portable multifunctional lounge chair. Every morning we wake up, get ready, and hit the office full of energy. The work grind begins, emails pile up, meetings roll in, everything's on track. But then lunch happens, and boom, that post-lunch drowsiness hits like a truck. Your eyes get heavy, your mind starts drifting, and suddenly nothing feels more important than a little nap. But nap at work? Sounds impossible, right? Meet the multifunctional lounge chair, your ultimate foldable nap gadget. Whether at work or a road trip or just chilling, this plush, supportive recliner lets you recharge anytime, anywhere. Because when there's a will to nap, there's a way. Grab yours now, links in the description box. Number 4. Fireproof Safes. Friends, world today feels like it's standing on the edge. Wars among bigger economies, rising tensions, unpredictable chaos. Every day we hear of bombings, disasters, and destruction. And in the midst of it all, it's the common people like you and me who suffer the most. We work hard, save up, build our lives, yet in a single moment everything can be lost. But not anymore. Friends, let's have a look at the Fireproof Safe with digital keypad, your ultimate security fortress. Built from heavy-duty metal with a secure combination lock, it keeps your valuables safe from fire and theft. Protect what matters. Order now on Temu.com's best gadgets. Number 5. Plasma Cutter Welder Gas. Friends, let's take you back in school times. Remember those days when science exhibitions or annual day preps turned everything into a creative battlefield? Cutting, fixing, building, it was pure chaos. But the fun was unmatched. Fast forward to today, and the world among us still throws a million little challenges our way. A flickering bulb, a rusting gate, a broken garden fence. Fixing things never really stops. But what if one powerful gadget could handle it all? Sounds amazing, nah? Friends, here's the Plasma Cutter Welder Gas, Temu's best gadget for DIYers and pros. This 5-in-1 powerhouse lets you cut, weld, and repair with ease. Featuring MIG, TIG, stick, and plasma cutting on 110-volt and 220-volt dual voltage. Compact, powerful, and built for endless possibilities. Like if you'd add this to your toolkit. Number 6. RGB Creative Clock. Mornings, either you love them or we snooze them, but let's be honest, waking up feels way better when there's something cool to wake up to. And what if I told you your clock could be more than just a boring time teller? Meet the RGB Creative Clock, Temu's best gadget to upgrade your space. Sleek, USB powered, and auto dimmable, it's more than a clock, it's a vibe. From subtle glows to bold RGB flashes, it adapts to your style. Boring work culture made highly interesting with RGB digital clock. You can order now. Links available in the description box. Hope you love this gadget. There's more where that came from. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite feature, and hit subscribe for more epic gadget reviews. See you in the next one.